Hi guys, so today I'll show you how to use the city generators to create topographies for architecture design in V500. So instead of like importing files from CAD mappers or do the massings in Revit or Rhino, we can actually do it in V5 and it's really quick and really helpful for us to achieve something really nice and easy. So the first step is to go into this terrain tool and click on city, and we can search up where we want to get the massing from. So I'll just go with the default one here in D5 and click on import, and have to wait for a few seconds for it to load. So yeah, now we can really already see that we can get the cities into the right D5. And once we get that, we can easily go into this menu, click on it. We can see that we have different elements such as building, roads, and ground. We can hide, like let's say if you want to hide the ground, you can just hide it, or hide the building, see only the road, hide the road as well. And we can actually modify the building as well. So if we click on the building, we can change the height of the building by clicking on this elevation and modify it. Or we can do the modify of a certain building that we want by just double click on the building, and you can see it load up like this. We can just modify it like, yeah. And we can also um, change the colors of the building as well. Like say if you want something different for our diagrams in the future, we can do it as well. And with the road, it's the same thing. Just just click on the road, and you can see we can change the colors or the width of the road by just dragging this tool, or change the colors of the road. And after doing this, if we want to add cars or trees, we can easily just go into assets and drop in the cars, drop in like different elements to make it more realistic. And if we want to add trees, just go into natures and download some trees and just apply it next to our buildings. And it's really quick and easy way to generate cities without have to spend a lot of time massing each buildings. And if you want to change the height of each building, like just say this building should be higher, so just do it here, maybe 5,000. It's really easy to generate cities in V5. Thank you.